Hi everyone, just wanted to go over a couple examples of the worksheet. I'm going to go over number 1, number 11, and number 12. So in number 1, we are just simplifying radicals, or simplifying the radicals. So I'm going to take 32, get my pen ready, sorry. All right, and I'm going to divide by the prime factors. So I'm going to start with 2. And then 32 divided by 2, that's 16. I'm just going to keep going. So 16 divided by 2, 8. And then 8 divided by 2, I got 4. And then keep going. 2 and 4 divided by 2 is 2. So under the radical, I have 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. So I can rewrite this as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to circle all my pairs. That means those are perfect squares. So a 2 comes out, and then another 2 comes out. All right, and what I'm left with is this 2. So on the outside of the radical, I have 2 times 2, and then on the inside, I have that 2 that didn't have a pair, so simplified is for radical 2. The ones down here, just remember you are going to do, PEMDAS inside the radical. Okay, so you're simplifying, but I want to simplify this expression first. So I'm going to go through PEMDAS, so parentheses, there is exponents, so inside the radical I have 8 squared, so I have 64. So I did that, and then I'm going to multiply or divide, so I can actually multiply all these numbers. So I have 4 times 1 times 3, so that would be 12. And then I do 64 minus 12, so I have 52. Then I do the same thing. Okay? I'm not going to do everything, so you have to finish that problem. For number 12, please be careful. So this is read as the square root of negative 6 squared minus 4 times negative 1 times 3. All right, so you have to be careful. I am going to square 6, so I have 36. When you subtract all of this, you have to think about you're subtracting 4 times negative 1 times 3. So 4 times negative 1 is negative 4 times 3. So that's minus negative 12. So that turns into a plus. So that is the square root of 48. All right, so just remember, be careful with your signs. All right, and that's it.